Hey y'all, let's make some beef ribs. Before we get started, make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Make sure to take off that membrane. Garlic powder, salt, onion powder, black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, barbecue rub, and you do the same to the other side. Now, grab you a nice sized pan and then place aluminum foil on top, enough to cover the bottom. Grab your olive oil, pour a little onto the pan, then place your seasoned ribs on top of the pan. This is how it should look. Now place in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours on 300. Then grab you 2 sheets of aluminum foil, pour in just a drizzle of olive oil on both sides. Then add a sprinkle of brown sugar to both sheets, enough to cover your ribs. This is how it should look. After 2.5 to 3 hours. Next, you're going to place your ribs on top of the brown sugar and olive oil. Then you're just going to pour a little bit of olive oil on top of the ribs. Next, you're going to sprinkle a handful of brown sugar on top of your ribs. Next, you're going to wrap your ribs, place in the aluminum pan, and into the oven for 30 minutes. It should look just like this. This is how it should look. Next, grab your choice of barbecue sauce and pour onto the ribs. Next, rub the barbecue sauce over the ribs and place into the oven on low broil for 5 minutes. And this is how it should look. Thank you guys for watching. We hope to see you next time.